children. How are you all? Yes. We are learning lesson 3 fiber to fabric. So in this lesson we have learned some topics. The fibers are obtained from plants and animals. So in this lesson we are going to see in deep of wool and silk. Yes. And also we get wool from goats, yak, sheep and many animals. Then the process of selecting parents for obtaining special characters in the offspring is called selective breeding. And various regions in India and all over the world, so many types of wool is available, and also it was used to make some products. And the sheep are reared and the specific foods are given, okay, to eat for the purpose of yielding good wool. And there are 6 products: shearing, covering, shorting, drying, dyeing and straightened and rolled. Okay, because the hairy skin have to convert into fabric. So for that we need to do this 6 steps. Okay, shall I see? Okay, shall we go? Shearing. Shearing means, see what you can understand from the picture, children. Yes, they are removing the hairy skin. Yes. Step 1. The fleece of the sheep. What do you mean by fleece, children? Hair of the sheep. Yes. Along with a thin layer of skin is removed from its body. Okay. This process is called shearing. That is removing the thin layer of skin. Thin layer of skin means ஹேரோட அந்த முடியோடு ஒட்டி இருக்குள்ள அதை வந்து நம்ம ரிமூவ் பண்ணுறோம். Machines similar to those used by barbers are used to shave off hair. Usually hair are removed during the hot weather. This enables sheep to survive without their protective coat of hair. Okay, so I already told you, children, sheep have thick coat of hair. Why? Because it traps air to keep their body warm. Yeah. So if we remove the hairy skin, can it manage? No. So that they are doing the shearing process in the summer time. Okay, hot weather. Okay, have you seen your father has shaving his beard? Yes. So ask your father whether it hurts, the shaving process will hurt him. No, just removing the hairs, isn't it? Again it is growing. Yes or no? Likewise here also the sheep also, the fleece of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is removed from its body. This is called shearing. Okay, it is just shaving the hair like your father shaves his beard. Clear? Okay. Scouring. See, you can see here 2 pictures. Yes or no? Yes. The sheared skin with hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove the grease, dust and dirt. Usually hen ஆகட்டும், goat ஆகட்டும், sheep ஆகட்டும், cows ஆகட்டும், they have so much dust on their body. Yes or no? Yes. Here also sheep also have so many dust on their body. Dirts will be there, so that they want to remove, so they will wash in a tank. Okay, the sheared skin with hair is thoroughly washed in a tank to remove the grease, dust and dirt. This is called scouring. Okay, so if manually are doing, if persons are doing, they will do like this. If the machines are doing, see here the picture. Okay, clear? Nowadays scouring is done by machines also. Okay. Okay, third step. After scouring, shorting is done. Okay, the hairy skin is sent to a factory where hair of different textures are separated and shorted. See, not all sheep have fine hair. Okay, some sheep have coarse hair and some sheep have fine hair. So it was shorted in the factories. Okay, after scouring, it was sent to factory for shorting the different textures of hairs. Okay, sheep's hairs. Okay, clear? Okay. The next process is drying. The small fluffy fibers called burrs are picked out from the hair. These are the same burrs which sometimes appears on your sweaters. The fibers are scoured again and dried. This is the wool ready to be drawn into fibers. Okay. நம்ம கொஞ்ச நாள் ரொம்ப நாள் அந்த ஒரே ஸ்வெட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோன்னா ஒரு கூஸ் பம்ப்ஸ் மாதிரி வரும், பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? பபிள்ஸ் மாதிரி வரும் இல்லையா? ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிற பர்ஸ், அதை தான் பர்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ லைக்வைஸ் த பர்ஸ் ஆர் பிக்டு அவுட் ஃப்ரம் த ஃப்ளஃபி ஃபைபர்ஸ். ஓகே, ஷார்ட்டிங்லாம் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் அதில் ஏதாவது அந்த மாதிரி பர்ஸ் மாதிரி ஏதாவது இருந்ததுன்னா they will be removed off and it is scoured again. ஓகே, திரும்பியும் அதை என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, வாஷ் பண்ணி and make it to dry under the sun. Okay, so this is the wool. After these 4 process, now the wool is ready to be woven into, drawn into fiber. Okay, okay, till this we will conclude this session. If you have any doubt, feel free to call us children. Thank you.